Mwihoko wakwa ni ati wina thayo haria hothe uratwamukira na ngagikugeithia muno makiria na gukunyita na gwata ugeni na moko meri thiini wa mutamburuko wa kiheo kabiru tukorwo tugikumenyithia uria bururi watinda ukigariura na mbere ya tukurehire mohoro maya na njira ndaya twambe tukurehere matemo ma mohoro. Maria tukuhaririirie mutamburuko-ini wa kiheo kabiru mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto yagite na giikaro na atongoria Turukana na kwaria ciigie SHA.
Hatutumi tena kwa kaunti. Hospitali kama ni dispensary, tunatuma pesa direct to the dispensary.
Aikari matura-ini ma Kitale guteta kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri.
It is very unfortunate that we are confirming what His Excellency the President has said, that Senate is a soko huru.
Na andu ana kuragwo na guikio rũĩ-inĩ rwa Ndarugo kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Na ngakunyita ugeni tutwarane nawe nginyagia muthia wa mutamburuko uyu nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mutwathiriri na njira ciko etagwo Sharon wa Gicuhi. Tukemberiria ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto niagite na giikaro na atongoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Turukana. Akiaria thingire-ini wa iregi, President erire muingi wa Turukana megie tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere makiria tabarĩra ya maĩ maria maguteithia hari urimi. Ohaugite thirikari yake niigite keheri-ini kigina kiria gikuhuthika na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2.5 mihango iria igukorwo igitabanio ni ruhonge rwa mbiraru. O President ni akoretwo agititirithia ciigimainie na kigina kia Hustler Fund akiuga ati kigina kiu ni gitwikite uteithio kuri Akenya guku akimenereria aria marendekithia kigina kiu gukorwo gikieherio. Aritie uũ na akaria uhoro wigie kwagirithia mutaratara wa ugima wa mwiri wa SHA akiuga ati thirikari ni ihotete guthukira mathibitari kigina gia guteithiriria arwaru.
Mimi nataka nishukuru counties wametengeneza ile inaitwa facility improvement fund in every facility. Sasa pesa hatutumi tena kwa county. Hospitali kama ni dispensary, tunatuma pesa direct to the dispensary. Ni mnanielewa? Ndio hiyo dispensary waweze kuwa na dawa yake, waweze kulipa mambo yao pale, na vile vile we are now moving na our governors. Tumekubaliana pia na governors madawa, kwa sababu shida kubwa sana katika hospitali zetu ni madawa. Mtu anaenda kwa hospitali anaandikiwa makaratasi mingi, mwisho hakuna dawa. Kama namna gani? Si ndio? So nimeketi chini hawa ndugu zangu governors na tumekubaliana na governors, and I'm going to work with them because we must sort this problem. Sasa KEMSA tumepatia pesa KEMSA another 10 billion ya kuhakikisha kwamba kuna madawa hapa KEMSA every day. Sasa ile kazi iko, we are now working the channel. Hatutaki dawa tena itoke Nairobi iende Lodwar. Hapana. Tunataka dawa itoke Nairobi iende kwa hospitali ile iko pale. Kama ni dispensary, from Nairobi to the dispensary. Kama ni health center, from Nairobi to the dispensary. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Tuko pamoja? So we are straightening that. Because for a very long time tunazungushana. Na unajua shida ya Kenya ni kwamba people don't want to make the right decisions because they are not necessarily popular. But we must make them to change our nation.
thikirire maseneta 28 aria mamukirire ihaki rĩa mũigana wa ciringi milioni 50 kuhonokia gavana Eric Mutai kumana na kuhagurwo. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Kericho, munini wa speaker Cheruiyot Bet augite ati gavana ahuthirire mamilioni ma mbeca niguo gukorwo utongori-ini rita rĩa keri.
It is very unfortunate that we are confirming what His Excellency the President has said, that Senate is a sokohuru. You know, by all standards, we sat in the entire time that you are in the Senate. What we saw, you know, in fact, I am now convinced in future, if there will be a referendum in future, I will be one of the proponents that will be championing the Senate of Kenya to be, you know, disbanded, because the Senate of Kenya is supposed to protect the interest of the people, supposed to protect devolution, but they are hiding, you know, corruption. A governor, you know, that took 85 million shillings. We found it in that report. We have all the evidences. If that is not corruption, then I think corruption has changed meaning.
How senators? You are the senior house. You've embarrassed this country. You've embarrassed us. We saw for ourselves, and we're telling the president, Your Excellency, the Senate is a big letdown. To the senators who supported us, the 16 of you, led by Boni Alwale, who moved the motion, supported by Ledama, and voted by the other 14 senators. We say, Echo, you did an excellent job.
We are halfway the term, and we must hold the county executive accountable. And those are the roles of the county assemblies. Now, an MP who might think you failed doing your own oversights, you are coming here to tell us or to teach us on how to do the oversight and the legislation and other things. Leave us alone. We want to focus, develop this county of Kericho, and we are warning anybody who wish to interfere with these issues that we will not be intimidated. You will see actions starting on Tuesday.
I think I vindicate the president now because of what is happening there. Senator for Bomet was busy lobbying to actually have the governor released in the Senate. And we are warning him that he should stop meddling with the affairs of Kericho County. There is an MP who is dancing here up and down, even dancing on the issues of corruption. What are you doing? Because you coming to Kericho County all the way. We don't know even who fueled your chopper. Using a chopper to come and actually laugh at the people of Kericho County. And insult the people of Kericho County. You are elected to serve your people in the middle of Digir. We never saw you in the ballot in any of the constituencies in Kericho County. Kindly go back, look at your issues in Narok, and actually stop coming to Kericho County to come and celebrate theft, thuggery, and even robbery.
Tukiuma mwena ucio tukwerekera kungi na kuria igoti ria Narok riamurite ati mwikuiro wa njuragano ya kamwana ka ukuru wa miaka 14 na karia karatungirio nyamu ucio kari thukuru-ini wa Adventist gukorwo agithie na mbere na guikara rumande nduko ingi 14 na niguo uthuthuria wa kiria giacungiririe gikuo kiu gukorwo ugitabanio Baranginyo.
Shira wa njuragano ya muruto wa miaka 10 wa kirathi gĩa kana thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Seventh Day kaunti-ini ya Narok no urathie na mbere. Muruto uyu akorirwo oragirwo kioro-ini na guthinjwo ta mburi muthenya wa kiumia kihituku. Gikuna kiria kiratigire aingi na kimako makiyuria kai andu riu maingirirwo ni unyamu thiini wao. Mwikuro wa njuragano uria ni murangiri wa thukuru iyo niwe Julius Sakwesi Rankesi aguthie na mbere na guikara njera thiku 14 niguo guthuthurio kimeciria. Mwerekero uyu kihano ni mucirithania Hezron Nyamberi kuria hindi ya cira uyu Sakwesi dauma na wakiri. Ekwiro age aria matanyitwo gukinya mbere ya igoti thutha wa ciumia igiri ni murutani munene na matron wa thukuru wa Seventh Day niguo guteithiriria uthuthuria wa gikuo kia muruto ucio. Thukuru uyu uthiite na mbere na kuhingwo kumana na watho uria uraheanirwo ni murugamiriri wa mathomo kaunti-ini ya Narok niwe Apollo Apuko, maabitha a githomo na athuri a itura. Hado-ini Hakeo TV, njĩtagwo Irimũ wa Wanjiru.
Na nĩ ngatho Wairimu wa Wanjiru nĩ tondũ wa gũtuithania riboti tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo nĩ mamenereirie itua rĩa thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya rĩa kũhinga campus ya University wa Jaramogi Odinga nĩguo mũgũnda ũcio ũhithĩke gũkorwo ũkĩhũthĩka gwaka ciikaro nene cia kaunti. Atongoria kĩhĩri nĩ morĩtie Gavana James Orengo gũtheria ndeto ĩyo nĩguo kweheria nganja kũrĩ mũingĩ.
Our surprise is that a new county headquarters exists and the governor is sitting in there. There are other offices there. The land is still spacious enough to accommodate other buildings. County Assembly has County Assembly. There's land contiguous to them which can be alienated if they want to expand. There's also expansion up. You can go up and so on. Those options are there. And so we don't see why a new county headquarters has priority over a university institution that will bring dynamism, economic, social, educational, intellectual to the county. Thank you very much. To make their contribution. If that happens, then it is a betrayal of the MOU, which of course has also now been overtaken by time. But it is also important to mention as I close that myself, Councillor Wino Tamre, and a gentleman who was left here, we went and visited the VC in Jaramogi Odinga University College of Science and Technology. And she was ready to have Jaramogi committed to getting the initial memorandum of understanding implemented, provided the county government took the lead. That was the idea. The county government was to take the lead. And I think it is failure by the county government to take that lead that we are even getting this issue of asbestos unresolved.
On behalf of the people of Alego, and on behalf of people of Siaya, and on behalf of the intellectuals in Siaya, we say no to a hiving off that 15 acres that he's talking about. We want that thing to remain a university. As Professor has mentioned, when you compare the social development that will be given by a new county headquarters and the social development that is given by that university, you know where the side is. The side of bread that is smeared and buttered and with jam and so forth is the university. And he's forcing us to keep eating the other side that is dry and flat. So we are saying no to him. And if that is so, let him call all Jalego people and ask them, munataka headquarters au munataka university?
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũhe kanya ga gũikĩria ndagĩka oro nini tũgũcokereria thutha wa kahinda gatarĩ coho.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ũndũire wa bũrũri wa Germany wĩtĩkĩtie atĩ nĩ matharaũ rĩrĩa waga kũnina irio ciorĩa kũnyitĩte ũgeni. Naguo ũndũire wa Korea wĩ atĩ rĩrĩa waheo irio na wanina kuonanagia nĩ wahacwo. Ũũ arĩ kuga atĩ ndwagĩrĩirwo kũhũthia ũmenyo wa ũndũire wa bũrũri o wothe. Na nĩkĩo thukuru wa Jewel Professional College wĩ haha nĩguo gũkũhe kanya ga gũgũbundithia we ũngĩenda kũmenya thiomi cia nanja, nĩcio foreign languages. Tũrabundithia rũthiomi rwa Korea, French na Germany nĩguo ndũkanakorwo na ihinda iritũ rĩrĩa ũgathiĩ gũcera kana kũruta wĩra mabũrũri-inĩ maya. Woyani na wandĩkithia no ũrathiĩ na mbere thukuru-inĩ wa Jewel kuogweka nayo wĩyandĩkithie tondũ marĩhi nĩ mabacĩrĩre. Tucerere wabici-inĩ citũ nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 Roysambu kũrigania na nyũmba ya kĩwonjoria ya TRM barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway, kana ũhũre thimũ ici 0771 300 Jewel Professional College, kĩambĩrĩria kĩa ũmenyo nĩ gwĩtigĩra Ngai.
Institution-inĩ yori nĩ nderaga mwathani mũthenya ũmwe nĩngenda ũndware handũ igũrũ, tondũ nĩ ndirikanaga he mũthenya ngĩthiĩ gwetha wĩra ngĩkora andũ makĩrĩa marĩa tũkĩingĩra handũ mũkawa, rĩu nĩ twakorana na mũirĩtu ũngĩ tũretha wĩra, nĩ ũragĩetha wĩ gũkũ nyeki-inĩ na no ũrathiĩ nginya ũrĩa wa mũjengo no ũrakĩgeria nĩ atĩ ũngĩ mwegega ũngĩgeria gwĩka. Koguo nĩ ndakoraga thaa ingĩkorwo ndinathiĩ mũjengo rĩ nĩ ngwambata taũni.
Tomugate wiki ũngĩtũria mũndũ muoyo, ĩndĩ kiugo kiumĩte kanua-inĩ ka Jehova nĩ gĩtũragia mũndũ muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, hallelujah.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarĩra-inĩ ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa hata kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandĩko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Neno la uzima nĩ tũgie karĩko.
Of God, I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire mĩaka ĩyo yothe ri ũmũthĩ ũyũ ngoma angĩarĩria tũrĩ anĩme moke magũkua indo ciaku ũngĩka atĩa kana ũngĩambĩrĩria kũmacaria na mĩguĩ ta njege tatengera kũrĩa gwa Kimuma Engineering System ũmere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganĩrĩra mũhuko waku. Oho nĩ makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Nĩ makoragwo na access control system iria cia kũhinya fingerprint ũgĩtonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na nĩ makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kũhinya remote ũguo. Wĩra nĩ mũingĩ tawa gũtinda kũng'ang'ana na ngeti. Nĩ mahetwo ngerenwa nyingĩ mũno. Nduka ciao ciĩ kũrĩa Nairobi CBD macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Twacokereria gunyita ugeni ikereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ tũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmenyithia na kũrĩa aikari ya Kenyatta Njoro kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru morĩtie thirikari kana makamihe thikũ 7 gũkorwo magĩetha kĩhonia na nĩ kũrũmĩrĩra ciĩko cia njũragano oro ũndũ ũmwe na ũnyitani wa kĩahinya gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu. Mĩrĩ na ĩkĩonekana rũĩ-inĩ rwa Ndarugo na ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩeri 2 mĩhĩtũku. Mĩrĩ ĩyo nĩ ya atumia 3 na mũndũrũme ũmwe. Aikari aya nĩ manyitanĩte na gũkorwo makĩtũgũta gĩthaka o igeri-inĩ rĩa kũhukia ciĩko icio na iria ithiĩte na mbere na kũmekĩra kĩeha.
Majina yangu ni Reverend wa Mugunda, na kwa hivyo sisi tuko hapa wamama, wazee na vijana zote ili tuweze kufieka mahali hapa tukakilie kabisa ili tuone kama usalama utarudi. Na kwa hivyo mioyo yetu hapa iko na huzuni sana kwa yale ambaye yamekuwa yakiendelea katika sehemu hii, kwa hiyo mtu hapa kwa daraja hii ya Kenyatta. Na kwa hivyo sisi tuko na sauti moja ya kuwa sasa sisi tunafanya kazi yetu, na serikali lazima ishuke ifanye kazi yake, maana hata mahali hapa tunahitaji mataa, tunahitaji mataa ya kumulika hapa, na hiyo ni kazi ya serikali. Saa hii hakuna watu wanapita hapa usiku kwa uoga. Hata ikifika giza tu kuingia kuanzia 6 unakuta hata wamama wanagojeana mahali pale ndio waweze kukuja, na wanakuja wakikimbia bio, na watoto wa shule asubuhi sasa wanaenda wakiwa wameshelewa sana, kwa sababu sasa hauwezi kuashiria watoto wako kukiwa na giza. Vile vile tunawauliza hata askari wetu nao wajitokeze, hata kama ni usiku wanakuja sehemu hii kufanya patrol ili usalama urudi.
Maafitha a borithi nĩ mahithũkĩtie katoni 100 cia thigara cia magendo mũciĩ-inĩ ũmwe itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kĩangai Kĩrĩnyaga ya ithũĩro, na mwĩkũĩrwo ũmwe ũrĩkia gũikio ngono. Agĩkĩra ndeto ĩno mũkonde, County Commissioner Hussein Alaso augĩte atĩ mwĩkũĩrwo ũcio nĩ atwarĩtwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi Kĩrugũya na gũkorwo agĩtanywo gũkinyio igoti-inĩ gatatũ ga tarĩki 3 gũkũ agĩcokeria ngatho mũingĩ ngatho nĩ tondũ wa kũgĩa na ũrũmwe ona ũnyitanĩri.
Ninachukua nafasi hii kwanza kabisa kuwarudishia shukrani wananchi na wakazi wa sehemu hii ya Kienja kwa kuweza kushirikiana vizuri na maofisa wetu wa DCI na kuweza kufichua vitu ambavyo vimefichwa katika sehemu hii ya kijiji. Kwa hivyo tunasema wananchi tunawapongeza, na pia nawapongeza maofisa wetu wa polisi, DCI na polisi, kwa kuweza kuwa na uhusiano mzuri na wananchi na kuweza kuwanasa sigara ambazo zimefichwa hapa katoni 100, sigara ambazo zingefaa zipelekwe ng'ambo na ziweze kuletea nchi nini pesa. So huyu mwenye hii sigara sasa ameficha sigara hizi hapa ambazo zingekuwa zinaenda ng'ambo, supposed to be for export, unaona zimeandikwa for export. Sasa mtu ameona yeye ahepe ushuru aweze kuja kuficha hizi sigara hapa auze kienyeji, na hiyo ni njia moja ambazo serikali inaweza kuwa inapoteza naye pesa. So tunawaonya kwa mtu yote yule ambaye anaweza fikiria anaweza leta bidhaa za magendo na pengine aone kama hata patikana, ajue ya kwamba siku za mwizi ni ngapi. Siku hizi hata si 40 imepungua, tangu teknolojia imekuja imepungua, imekuwa 10. Kwa hivyo wewe ukijua wewe utaleta vitu ya magendo, iwe ni pombe, iwe ni sigara, iwe ni vitu vingine vya banki, ujue ya kwamba siku zako zimefanya nini? Zinahesabika. Hata ni chache na utanaswa hivyo karibuni. Kwa hivyo yangu ni kuomba tu tushirikiane na maafisa wetu wa polisi, tuendelee kuweza kutoa habari, na napongeza sana tena, narudia kupongeza officers wetu kwa ile kazi nzuri ambayo wamefanya.
Aikari matũũra-inĩ ma Matisi, Kipsongo na Machijoni marĩa marĩ Kitale kaunti-inĩ ya Trans Nzoia makoretwo na moritũ na njĩra ya kũnyamario nĩ ekinaĩ arĩa maramagũmĩra ũru na gwĩthara na indo ciao. Aikari aya maugĩte atĩ maikarĩte na wagagu mũnene na nĩ thutha wa gĩkundi kĩu kĩa ekinaĩ kũhobanĩria biacara ciao. Machinjoni gũkĩrĩ ũguo, aikari aya nĩ morotete rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri kwaga kũmarũmbũiya, na gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ morĩtie minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen kũingĩrĩra.
Ilikuwa kitu saa 2, tumekaa kwa chumba cha burudani hapa, tunaburudika polepole na rafiki zangu. Mmoja alikuwa na laptop, mwingine alikuwa na simu, wengine pia walikuwa na masimu zao hapo. Kidogo hivi tunastukia vijana wameingia ndani, wakaanza kutuchapa, wakaanza kutukatakata, hata mimi wakanipiga makofi ya panga. Kidogo nimetoka nje, wakadili na wengine kwanza, pia wenye walikuwa hapa nje. Kumaliza hivyo, maskari wakakuja baadaye. Maskari pia kuja baadaye kutupata hivi, bado tunaendelea na hiyo kesi. Tena wanaanza tena kutushughulikia.
Hawa jamaa wana utu, wale wa jamaa wakikuja wamekuja. Lakini ni vile nilingangana kimimi, nikahakikisha nimejiondoa kwa shida. Lakini yote 9 vijana hata wakianza kusema ati hatuna kazi, tusitumie njia nyingine kusema hatuna kazi.
Mimi kukuja nikafika kwa nyumba, nikapata mtoto wangu analia, nikasema acha nichukue hamia yangu nienda hata niwe nyama ya 100 nikuja nimjurushe na watoto wangu. Mimi kukuja kufika pale kwa bucha nikakutana na Mbogi, si kujua what happening ni nini. Nilifika pale wakaniekelea kofi, nikaanguka kama ikanikata mguu, nimefunga mtoto wangu kwa mgongo, hata ni bahati tu mtoto wangu angeumia.
Vikundi ya vijana imekuwa ikikatakata watu ambao wanaishi hapa Trans Nzoia. Tumelia, tunalia, sijui kama Trans Nzoia iko na police post, sijui kama tuko na police station. Hatuoni kama askari wanasaidia mali ya umma. Hii masuala ya Trans Nzoia tumeongea kila siku, na tunasema kila siku, na wakazi ndio wanaumia. Wakazi wengi sana wameumia kwa haya maneno, na watu wameibiwa, simu zimepotea, na ni vijana wadogo ambao wanajulikana. Kuna notorious criminals ambao wanatembea na panga usiku, na hakuna kitu ambayo serikali inafanya.
Na riboti yo igukorwo igituhe kanya kana gukorwo igitutirihira mutamburuko wa kiheo kabiru thaa 1 mena mangi maingi cienda wega thaa 3 tutauria tuguthie na mbere na kumahaririria tugacokia ngatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithuĩ na arĩa othe mauma mwena ucio ũngĩ wa studio gũtigĩra no atwamũkĩra na njĩra ĩgwete. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kimani, nake mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Sharon wa Gĩcũhĩ. Gĩa na mahinda mega.